our knee-operated hot and cold water sink. First off, the overall dimensions. From left to right, we have a length of 17 3/4 inches and a depth of 17 inches. Overall height with legs, we have 36 inches tall. Measurements for the interior sink, we have 14 inches in length, 10 inches depth by 6 inches in height. Measurement for the faucet or the spout will include 8 inches. Included will be the strainer and the stop. And coming to the front will be the knee-operated pedals. Hot and cold water, and the height to the top of each pedal, we have at least 27 inches tall. So whenever the sink must be in use, the tabs or the cold, so whenever the sink must be in use, the hot and cold water tabs or the knee-operated pedals can be pressed. That will dispense the water from the faucet. Coming to the back and lower bottom portions of the sink will be the plumbing and connections for the water to operate with the sink. And located on the top left corner will be the NSF certification. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website, coolerdepotUSA.com, for more information on this product. Thank you.